If the trim air switch is positioned to off, which of the following occurs? Touch the best answer. Correct. Which position draws cabin discharge air into the bulk cargo compartment? Touch the correct position. Correct. When the air conditioning system is operating normally, what determines the outlet air temperature from the packs? Touch the best answer. Correct. While in flight, these indications appear. What should you do to clear the smoke? Touch the correct control or the no action required icon. Correct. Which panel indicates the loss of bleed air to the right pack? Touch the correct panel. Correct. Which control needs to be repositioned to set the control panel to its normal flight configuration? Touch the correct control. Correct. Which statement describes a situation in which pack high flow is inhibited in flight? Touch the best answer. Correct. In this situation, the airplane is in flight and all systems are functioning normally. How can you return the packs to the normal flow schedule? Touch the correct control or the no action required icon. Correct. The equipment cooling switch overheat light comes on while in flight. Which of the following conditions could have caused these indicators to come on? Touch the best answer. Correct. The airplane is on the ground prior to takeoff on a very hot day. What are the likely consequences of this advisory? Touch the best answer. Correct. What condition is indicated by these ICAS advisory messages and indicators? Touch the best answer. Correct. Which position is the only setting in which the no cooling light is armed? Touch the correct position label. Correct.